Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the ability of Tomb Marmot pet and Grow Garden game of Roblox new goal garden update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Before I show you the ability of the Tomb Marmot pet, I'm going to show you how you can get this Tomb Marmot pet. So you can get it from the spooky chest, and you can buy the spooky chest from the Halloween market, and you will have 25% possibility to get this marmot pet, Tomb Marmot. And basically guys, the ability of this marmot, Tomb Marmot, is like the ability of the marmot pet. So every 5 minutes it can dig down and hides in a random tombstone, and you can get the graveyard cosmetic. After it, you can find the tombstone. Okay, and I'm just going to wait until the marmot hide, and we need to find it. Okay guys, and you will get notification like this: Tom Marmot burrowed away, and then you need to find the tombstone. And the tombstone guys can be anywhere, so you can search the tombstone around the map. It can be on your garden or outside your garden. Okay, and this is how the tombstone looks like, and then you will get reward after you can find it. You will get the graveyard cosmetic, and I got this cosmetic. Okay guys, and that's how the Tom Marmot works in Grow Garden game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!